Hello everyone, I'm Sanket Kasbe, a third year student of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management, and today I'll be taking you on a short virtual tour to Belgium. Belgium is one of the smallest countries in Western Europe and shares its borders with France, Luxembourg, Germany, and the Netherlands. The national flag of Belgium was officially adopted on 23rd January 1831 to signify the independence of Belgium from the northern Netherlands. The tricolor flag with vertical design is believed to be inspired by the French tricolor. Brussels is the national capital of Belgium. The official currency of Belgium is the euro. 1 euro is equal to 88.47 Indian rupee. Approximately 60% of the Belgian population speaks Dutch and 40% speaks French, and less than 1% of the people speak German. Did you know there is a restaurant on the borders of Belgium and Netherlands where you can share a table with your friend and still be in different countries? It is also believed that the French fries originated in Belgium in the late 1600s when the fishermen decided to fry potatoes as fish was not available due to the frozen rivers. Belgium was the second country in the world to legalize same-sex marriage in 2003. Netherlands was the first in the year 2000. The economic and political hub of the country, Brussels has a much different feel from any other Belgian city. Brussels is also known as the capital of Europe, as it is the capital of European Union and has its significance as a center of international governance and business, which makes Brussels a true global city. The Dutch-speaking city of Antwerp has long been known as a center for craftspeople and artists, as well as the active trade port. Antwerp's museums are some of the best in Belgium. The old city of Ghent is rife with beautiful historic buildings, many of which are in guild houses and markets and run along the Graaciel Canal. The city is also home to some spectacular churches, most notably the Cathedral of Saint Bao. La Grande Place is a masterpiece of the 17th century Gothic architecture. The Meuse Valley provides the most scenic river trips in Belgium. Mechelen Old Town is a great place to capture a sense of medieval Belgium. The famous Waterloo, where Napoleon was defeated, is a popular destination among history buffs. The Basilica of the Holy Blood homes the famous vial said to contain a drop of Jesus Christ's blood. Mulset fries is a main dish of mussels cooked with vegetable stock, white wine, or traditional Belgian beer, and served along with fries. Stoemp is a superior version of mashed potatoes and contains an assortment of vegetables. Speculoos is a caramel cookie that is lightly spiced. Water zouille is another comfort food. It is a stew which can be made with chicken, fish, or vegetables. And of course, we all are familiar with the Belgian waffles, Belgian chocolates, and a wide range of craft beers found in Belgium, which are iconic of this country. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.